Hey guys, today on Bad Beast Barbecue, we're pulling out the old Asmoke, and we're going to do a simple recipe of some lemon pepper chicken wings right after this.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on a grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, like I said earlier today, we're going to be doing some simple lemon pepper chicken wings. Okay, and we're going to be cooking them on the AS300 Asmoke pellet grill. Okay, I found this recipe on a website called Cooks Well with Others. Okay, the lady had plenty of chicken wing recipes out there, and I figured I'd grab one of hers and put it together as close as I could to her recipe, with maybe a little bit of tweaking, I'll say, but for the most part, we followed her recipe to the letter. Okay, I'll put the link down in the description block where you can go check out her website and some of her recipes. She got some nice stuff out there. Okay, so what we have here is we have one of our FoodSaver vacuum containers, and we use the marinate function on it, and I had never done that before. So we put the marinade in here with the chicken wings. The chicken wings have been separated from the flats and the drumettes, and we threw the tips away. And if you guys have never used the FoodSaver marinating process before, if you put the tube inside of here, you lock it down, and it pumps the air out and then back in like 3 or 4 times to facilitate moving the marinade in and out of the meat. Okay, so we're going to see how well this marinated these chicken wings, because chicken wings can be bland if you don't marinate them overnight. All right, so the marinade that we use here is the marinade from her website. Okay, and it consisted of 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, but we use turbinado brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and the recipe also called for a 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I didn't have any lemons in the house, so we used the lemon juice in the bottle. So hopefully we'll get close to the same result. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to fire up the Asmoke, and we're going to cook these bad boys at 250 degrees until they reach an internal temperature of 170, 175 degrees. And then we're going to sprinkle them down with some Lowry's lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started. All right, guys, so we're finished with our cook. Okay, I put the total cook time up here on the screen. You saw me temp them out. They were like at 175, 180, so they were ready to come off. We're gonna go ahead and have a taste and see how these taste. I got these covered up because of all of the flies running around here trying to get a taste. All right, they smell really good. I can see all the lemon pepper seasoning on the chicken. They look nice and juicy too. Wow, these are really good, man. You can taste the soy sauce. The lemon juice comes through with the lemon pepper seasoning on it. That sweetness from the turbinado sugar is there also. The only thing that's missing is the skin is not as crispy as I would have liked. It would have been nice. Next time I probably would dust these down with a little baking powder and see if it'll crisp up the skin while they're cooking. But in all, these things taste really, really good. Gotta have another bite. Wow, these are good, man. Can't go wrong with doing this recipe here. The Asmoke put some nice little smoke on it. We used Kingsford signature pellets in here, so it's like a combination of different pellets. And like I said, we smoked these at 250 degrees, and like I said, I put the time up on the screen. I think it was for about 2 hours. Okay, so well, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire, and if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there or some chicken wings with a little lemon pepper on them, making you pucker. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Mm. See you guys in the next video.